Hello guys, so just want to show you another workflow that you can use to create hair, and this workflow is using geometry. And for the creation process of these geometries, you can reference to another tutorial from UIW3D about the convergence here, but you can create it of course using other ways. The topic here though is how to convert it into my hair system, or maybe XGen to show you like how you can use this kind of workflow to specifically or control the shape you really want to have very quickly. All right. So the first thing you want to do is grab all the geometries. Let me delete their history. You can see they're from ZBrush. I just separated those things. Let me unparent that. Move that back up. Okay. So those are the geometries. The first thing you want to do, make sure that your geometry is open at the end and the beginning. If you don't, then maybe I can show you, another simpler way, but maybe not as, as fully controlled as this workflow. But let me just show you this workflow first. So you grab out the hairs, right? You go for modify, convert. There is a conversion called polygon to subdivision, right? You can do that here. Let me apply that. Just gonna convert all my polygons into subdivision surfaces, like these. These are not polygons. This is something called subdivision model. Okay, you can go to all those different things, but they're actually not polygon. Okay, and then afterwards you grab those subdivision geometries, these ones, and then you go another modify, convert, and you can convert these subdivisions to, let's say, subdivision to nurbs. Okay, and you can do apply. Now I got a bunch of nurbs, which are those. Okay, let me Shift D to delete their history and Shift P to unparent my nurbs, and I don't need to see those anymore. And I got a bunch of nurbs. I guess they're actually inside, so I'm gonna go grab all those things and press the down arrow button to select those nurbs. Alt Shift D to delete their history, Shift P to unparent those guys, so that I can delete those subdivision surfaces. Whoops, this guy is a little complicated. I'm not sure why. Unparent that. Anyway, so now I got a bunch of nurbs. They're green for some reason. I guess Maya is just having trouble figuring out what's going on there. Let me just give them a number 1 as their material. So now I'm getting a whole lot of nurbs surfaces. You see now they're nurbs, right? They're converted from polygon. Alright, and then what I do is grab those nurbs. Okay, I'm gonna go for the generate XGen editor, right? And I just need to go inside, so let me create a new description, whatever here. Just use the spline and place shaping as gets, and then create. That's gonna create and open the XGen editor for me. I need those utilities to help me convert. So what I'm gonna go for is surface to curves. Okay, this command. If you run that, let me choose that. Okay. And you create curves. It's going to convert those nurbs now into curves. But unfortunately, the direction sometimes is not as good as you think. Those directions are wrong. So I can actually go back and grab, just convert them one by one if that's faster. And if it's wrong, then, oops. I don't think I need that guy. So maybe I can have that guy. That guy. Yeah, just do that one by one, or you can do multiple ones if you know that they're the same direction. Now this one is okay. You can maybe change your selection to no curve, so that you can just grab your geometry, create, and grab the geometry again and Ctrl H to hide it. Oops, not these guys. Right. So let me just spend some time and convert my my nurbs into curves, and then I can come back and start doing the right. So those, some of the ones are wrong, right? If you do create curves, this guy is okay. This guy is wrong direction. So if you want to flip it, and just change that from v equals 0 to u equals to 0, and then create curves. That's gonna give you the correct result, right? You just need to, based on what direction it gives you, you just do it differently. So this should be v. I guess everything here will be v. I can grab them all together. Create curves, right? Maybe I can go ahead and hide my head and everything else. The 2 eyeballs and my head geometry, which is over here. Anyway, so I'm gonna spend some time to do this, and then I can come back and we can start doing some more interesting conversions. So see you later.